it's pretty simple. So what we do is we use the battery bolts to bolt this flange in, and we use these magnets up here. You just screw in, and you would have a battery here normally, or if you don't have a battery, it doesn't really matter. But those magnets screw in, and then that way the screen has a place to attach itself. The screen just sits right down inside the little trophy here. Real simple. Don't pay attention, or never mind. There's a piece here. I'll have to work on lining that up a little bit better. We made some changes and it got lost, but not a big deal. That's it. Just mount the flange or the plate on the bottom with the battery bolts. Put your magnets in or use your screws. Put the screen in and let it do its thing.